Welcome friends. Please do subscribe and share and comment my channel and I will update you on regular basis. Switch over to the next topic. Good morning dosto. Ideas to apply problem equation is given. It is a simple equation but we have to go for this particular equation group into the twos and starting from the right. It's a simple idea how to avoid the mistakes in part 2, but it is very necessary and very important to learn how to avoid the mistakes. Normally, normally childs are doing this type of mistake. First, we have to write the number 15528. From the right, you have to write down the next number 10121 minus. This is the equation we need to solve it. Right? Now we have to take the group of 2 from the right. 2. These are the two values. These are the two values. Just separate these two values. And again you need to separate these values. These two values. Now think of the 28 minus 10 and again you have to think about the 55 minus 12. Now you can review by applying the some ideas what is the easy trick to solve this particular problem. It's very easy to think 28 minus 10, 55 minus 12. But somehow it is difficult to think about 15528 minus 1210, right? Now we have to write over here, this is the 8, this is 1, this is 5 minus 2 is 3 is 4 and this is 4. This is the answer. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल अपन इसमें देखेंगे. The given question is 4812 minus 1598. It's a simple one, but a bit like school, 12 minus 98 is not possible. To make it easy, we have to take the carry from these particular locations. Suppose if I have to write this equation or this problem like this, 48 12 minus 15 98, just separated these two values. Now over here I have written there. Now basic, we need to solve this. 2 minus 8 is not possible. What we have to take? We are generally taking the carry 1. Here what is the value? Now for the 12 I am taking is 1, I am taking the carry forward, means it here we have 1 1 2 minus 98 means that we have remaining with us 14. Now over here what is going to be changed? It is 47. Now the 47 minus is 2 and this is the 3. Now the complete answer is 3214. This is my answer. You may remember from the school that subtraction was sometimes referred to as the difference between the two numbers. So when calculating the numbers in my head, I sometimes slide both numbers up and down in my head, which then the same. Means that if suppose I am talking about the next example, I will explain you this particular thing in the details. If I have the two numbers, that is 52 minus 19, I think if one slides up by making the 19 to 20, then slide the 52 up to the 53, it becomes very easy. What I have say, what I have explained you, just have this number up by 1 means plus 1 is equal to 20. Now another number you have up by 1 means plus 1, this is equal to 53. Now the equation will become 53 minus 20 means that equation, what is the equation? This is 3. If I am going to minus, it is again the 3. Now my answer is become very simpler. No need to think about the carry, to take the carry. Sometimes students are very confused about this particular thing. So you can go for this type of problems. Very easy while you are calculating the things in your head and the mind. It is so beneficial if you are up the value by 1 or dropping by the values and all. So switch over to the next example. It will more clear idea to have the solution of this type of problem. Now here we need to take the example like 84 minus 60. I'm supposed to have this value. Supposed to have this value. I think now I think if one slide up the 84 up by 2 by 2 to 86. 84 now slide by the 2 means that 84 slices by 2 means 86 I have written here. This minus I am taking here, and then the 68 slides by 2 means 68 plus 2, this value. Now it will become 70. Now the original equation I am having, now the equation is 86 minus 70 is equal to, this is nothing but it is 6, 8 minus 7 is 16. It is my answer now. Again, no carry to think about. Prove this to your by calculating the normal method. Whatever the equation I have told you, you just need to compare with the normal method, and we have discussed here the tricky tricks under my channel, that is Tricky Tricks Corner 2020-21. For the more updates, I kindly request you subscribe this particular channel. You will be facilitated by the so many videos like this. Okay, now by using this type of technique, we can minimize the errors in solving the problems and all. Now another trick I am going to discuss over here. The choose a nice middle number. How to choose this particular thing and how to apply. It is a very important and necessary trick while you are going to apply the any type of equation in the aptitude and all that, because we have the very limited time and we have to solve these examples as per the time and all that. When subtracting the two numbers in my head that are fairly near to each other, I like to choose a nice looking number that comes between the number, examples, 100 is 200 is 500, etc. Means that the complete number, about the complete number you are talking about, we are talking about. If you know the sum was born, suppose the person A was born in 1979 and you want to find out how old they are. You have this data. Right now I have supposed to have this particular value. This is 2008 minus 1979. Now how to proceed it? So we'll remove the in and I am giving you the complete idea and how it is going to be solved and how the trick will be applied. Now the first of all, work out the difference between the two is 2000 and 2008, the first pair, and 1979 and 2000. Then add the difference up. आपको difference up करना है. The difference between 2000 and the 1979 you need to calculate over here. So right down here I'm just writing this equation like this. If I'm supposed to have the difference between these two values 2000 and the 19, it is come around the 21, and the difference between the 2008 and the 2000 is coming around the 8. Now just add these number. Now there is no need to subtract the things all at once in your head and the mind. If you subtract 150 from something, you have to 100 and the 50 to subtract separately. If I have the number, if you have the 150 subtraction from this, so you can break this value into two parts, that is 100 and the 50, that I mean to say. Separately, if you want to have the 1100 minus 150, first of all subtract the first of all subtract the 100 to make it easier. First of all we need to minus the 100 is 1100 minus 150. First of all I will break these two values, 100, and secondly 50, right? First we need to minus this from this. 1100 से minus किया, that is 1000. Now I have this particular value is the 1000 over here, right? Now what we have done, we have this number originally, this is 1100 minus 150. 150 need to break into two parts. 100, 50. First we need to minus 1100 minus 100. Next we need to minus the, I have the 1000 over here, 1000. Then remaining we need to find out minus 50. Now it will become is the 950. What we have done is just break the two values, and two steps subtraction we have taken here, right? Clear. Now if we are going to have this number like 1450 minus 125, this is the value. Now if I can either subtract the 100, the 20 and the 5 separately, 100, 100, 20 and 25, just breaking these three values over here is the combination of 100, 20 and the 5 is plus plus plus, it will come 20, 125. I have to deduct to the subtract the 100 and the 25 instead of breaking into three parts. Only two parts I have considered, that is 100 and the 25. Now the 1450 minus 100 you can do here. So we'll have the value, this is the 1350. Now from this 1350 I need this value, this as in subtraction is minus. Now here is 25. If I am supposed to have these two values, this is nothing but 50 minus 25. So what comes here is 25. If suppose I am taking these two values, is 50 minus 25, 25, 50 minus 25 is equal to the 25. Now rest value is the same. This is my answer. What it gives you, the very simple, very quick response regarding the subtraction in your head. Whenever you are doing the calculation in your mind, once your mind is confused, to all things are going to lapse. I split then up into the two pairs, so I think about them more easily as explained above. Just to explain above, I thought in my head 13 as a pair and the 50 as a pair. It's very simple to subtract the things. Thank you so much. Keep watching me. Thank you. Thank you so much.